Did you know that farmers can now save water, reduce effort, and increase the crop yield using smart technology? Welcome to the world of smart irrigation management systems. In this video, we will explore the major advantages of this innovative agricultural solution with a real-time example. Now, here in this image, you can see the various advantages of the smart irrigation system used in the modern agriculture. And the system uses sensors, automatic controllers, and mobile technology to manage irrigation efficiently. The first advantage is saving water resources, where the system supplies water only when the soil needs it. And soil moisture sensor continuously check the moisture level, and here it prevents unnecessary watering, and this reduces the water wastage and helps to conserve valuable water resources. The second advantage is reducing the farmer workload. Like in traditional farming, farmers must regularly visit fields to check the soil conditions and operate the irrigation equipment. In smart irrigation, it automates these tasks, it reduces the manual effort, and it saves the time. Then comes the third advantage, that is the automatic irrigation. When the soil becomes dry, the sensor detects the low moisture level and sends the information to the controller. So the controller automatically opens the solenoid valve and start irrigation. When the soil it reaches the required moisture level, then irrigation will stop automatically. The fourth advantage is the real-time monitoring, where the farmers can continuously monitor the information, important field information such as soil moisture, water level, and pump status. And this helps them to make better decisions about irrigation and the crop management. The fifth advantage is the better crop yield. Since the crops receive the right amount of water at the right time, the plants grow healthier and stronger. And proper irrigation will improve the crop quality and increases the overall productivity compared to the manual irrigation methods. Then you have the sixth advantage, that is the remote access through the mobile devices. Here the farmers can use the smartphones to check the field conditions from anywhere, and they can monitor irrigation status, receive alerts and notifications, and even control the irrigation system remotely without visiting the field. And here you can also see how sensors, controllers, water pumps, and mobile applications work together to create an efficient irrigation system. So the overall smart irrigation system will save water, reduce labor, provide automatic irrigation. It enables real-time monitoring, improves crop yield, and allows the remote control, making farming more efficient and productive. So here you can see the farmer is checking the real-time data. Then he can control the irrigation, that is he can on and off the pump. Then he will get the alerts and notification in the mobile app, and he can access this from anywhere. Then we'll see a real-time example here for the image smart irrigation system working in a rice field. This image, it shows how the system automatically monitors soil conditions and supplies water when needed. In step 1 here, soil moisture sensor is placed in the field, and the sensor measures the soil moisture and detects a value of 20%. This means the soil is becoming dry and needs water. In the second step, the system compares the measured value with the predefined threshold value, which is 30 here, that is 30%. Since 20% is lower than 30%, the system identifies that irrigation is not required. Okay. In step 3, the cluster head sends the data to the server through the communication network, and the server will analyze the received information and determines the appropriate action. And in step 4, step 3 was cluster head, it will receive the sensor data, and step 4, the server will analyze the data. Okay. Then here in step 4, the cluster head will send the data to the server through the communication network, and the server analyzes the received information and determines the proper or appropriate action. And in step 5, after analyzing the data, the system automatically activates the irrigation pump. Water will start flowing into the rice field without any manual operation. And this will ensure that the crops receive water at the right time. Then you have step 6, where the farmer receives a notification on a mobile phone, and the notification informs the farmer that irrigation has started automatically because the soil moisture level was below the required limit. So the result of this process is shown here. The rice plant will receive enough water for healthy growth. Since irrigation starts only when necessary, there is no water wastage, and the farmer does not need to continuously visit the field and monitor the soil conditions manually. Therefore, no manual monitoring is required. So overall, the smart irrigation system, it provides automatic irrigation, then real-time monitoring that is real-time monitoring. You have efficient water management and reduced farmer effort, and also it helps to improve the crop growth and agricultural productivity. Okay, so the smart irrigation management system, it uses the IoT sensors, wireless communication, and remote monitoring to optimize the water supply in agriculture, and it improves the farming efficiency by automating the irrigation, reducing the water wastage, increasing the crop productivity, and allowing the farmers to monitor fields remotely. So this technology, it plays an important role in the precision agriculture and sustainable farming. Thank you. So this was about the smart irrigation management system.